Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your DOOGEE X97 Pro. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Add the permissions to files and to the camera, and tap on the plus to choose the source of your command. So just select your decided one. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Right, like that's this one, doesn't matter. And now you can add the shape of your photo. If you already click arrow. And now you can choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. And you can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you already click accept and type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more files, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the files from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and tap on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.